Himanshu asked, is Revoicer good for AI voiceovers? I think it is. I only used it very briefly, like a trial period. Himanshu, I have been using 11 Labs for the past 2 or 3 months or longer, and I recommend 11 Labs to everyone too, because it's just a very good one, easy to use. You can make a lot of, you can pick a lot of voices. They are very high quality. It works quick and it's not too expensive. So yeah, I would recommend using that one, but Revoicer I think is good to use. Right. Let's see. Why is that? Adobe Premiere. Yes. Okay. All right. Does anyone have a question? I'm having a hard time. Himanshu, you ask if Pictory videos are monetizable. Yes, they are. Pictory just uses stock material footage. Like you give them a script and a voiceover, and they put stock material footage on it. So this is just YouTube automation too, right? If you get a cheap editor, he also just puts stock footage over it. And then with Pictory, you can also add the text overlay on there. So it's just the same idea as a cheap editor, basically. So yeah, you can definitely monetize this. Groen, what is the best AI script writer? So currently, I think it's ChatGPT, Quillbot, and actually one of my members sent me another script writer a little while back. I forgot about the name, but I will share it in the group afterwards. It's a paid script writer, but apparently it's really good.